So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can send the video messages in WhatsApp just like the same way you send the voice messages to someone. So the WhatsApp has been pushed this feature not a long time ago. It's a new feature, so you need to update your WhatsApp first. So whenever you open the WhatsApp and whenever you open the chat with someone, whenever you see this icon of a mic over this from which you can send the voice notes or the voice messages, when you just simply click on this once, now you're gonna see this icon has been changed and this says hold to record video. If I tap it again, it will convert back again to that mic option, and if I again tap it, it will become the video version. And if I press and hold this, a video message or a video note has been started to recording with the front camera, and you can send these messages to someone just like the same way you send WhatsApp voice messages or the voice notes. So whenever I just simply press and hold this, now you're gonna see a timing has been started and this recording has been started just like the same way the video or the audio has been recorded. If I need to cancel it, I just simply slide on this left side, and now this is cancelled. And if I want to lock it, I just simply hold upwards, and now this recording has been locked. So by this method you can very easily send the voice messages to someone or the video messages with the voice to someone on WhatsApp. And this is the new feature, you can use it very well. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.